The demand for online learning has soared over the last couple of years, presenting a massive opportunity to make money online for enthusiasts and experts alike to share their knowledge through digital courses. Hi, I'm Jackie, and in this video, I'd like to share with you the benefits of creating and selling a digital course. Creating and selling a digital course not only allows you to reach a global audience, but also offers a multitude of benefits. And here's why you should consider diving into the world of digital course creation. So what I'm going to do is just give you an overview and tell you really about the benefits of creating and selling a digital course. So first of all, passive income and scalability. So what does that mean? Well, once your digital course is created, it can be sold repeatedly without any additional effort. And this scalability allows you to reach an unlimited number of students and generate an income long after the initial creation phase. So although it can take a long time, or it can seem like it takes a long time to actually create the course and really get it going, I promise you your dedication will be rewarded. And unlike traditional teaching, where your earning potential is limited by the number of hours you can teach, digital courses offer the potential for passive income. So that really means making income while you're doing other things or sleeping or whatever. And then we're moving on to global reach. So what does that mean? Well, the internet erases geographical boundaries, allowing you to reach a worldwide audience. Whether you're teaching a niche subject or a widely sought after skill, there's likely a global market eager to learn from you. This broad reach can significantly increase your influence and impact. And then moving on to establishing your authority and credibility. When you're creating a high quality digital course, this positions you as an authority in your field. It demonstrates your expertise and commitment to your subject, enhancing your credibility. And as your reputation grows, you may attract more opportunities for speaking engagements and collaborations. And moving on to cost effectiveness. Developing a digital course is cost effective compared to traditional classroom settings. There are no expenses for physical space or printed materials or travel. Additionally, various online platforms provide affordable tools for creating and hosting your course, making it accessible for those on a budget. For example, on Systeme, the free plan offers one course, so you could actually get started, try it out and see how you find it. And then we're moving on to engagement and interaction. Digital courses often incorporate interactive elements such as quizzes, discussion forums and live Q&A sessions, fostering engagement and a sense of community among the students. And I think the community side of things is very important. These features can enhance the learning experience and provide valuable feedback to improve your course content continuously. Yeah, and that's the point, because getting feedback from the students is critical, because it gives you a really good idea as to whether you're on the right lines with the course or whether there's questions. And if there are a lot of questions, then you can answer them by adding to the course. Yeah, so think about any questions that they have and answer them. So you could answer them in the course, but you could also use the answers in your marketing. And there's a really good book called They Ask, You Answer by Marcus Sheridan. I'm just looking at the synopsis of it to kind of give you a very brief breakdown. What it says here is, when people have questions, they ask a search engine. If you have the answers, the right content strategy will get them to the top of the search results seen by millions every day. Yeah, so drop the marketing speak, stop selling and start answering. Be seen as an authority, not just another advertisement. So I think it's really important. It's very poignant and it's a brilliant book. It's really, really worth buying. Okay, so moving on, personal and professional growth. Creating a digital course is a rewarding challenge that can lead to significant personal and professional growth. You'll refine your communication and teaching skills, deepen your understanding of your subject, that's for sure. When you're researching things, you deepen your understanding, and you'll also gain insights into the needs and preferences of your audience. And in conclusion, in a world increasingly embracing online learning, there's never been a better time to share your knowledge and expertise through a digital course. So take the leap, create your course, and unlock a world of opportunities. Right, so thank you for listening. And before I go, if you would like to try out Systeme on their free plan, there's one course that you can create on that plan. And it's a really good way of testing out the software and seeing what you think of it. And there's 2 videos that I've already created. One is how to create the course in Systeme, and the other one is really about sort of updating, adding lectures to it, etc. And those videos should be showing now on the screen. So I look forward to speaking to you soon, and I'll see you in the next video.